Michael Burry, a hedge fund manager, investor, and physician, has rejected Shiba Inu, claiming that there are too many coins in circulation. Even when the entire SHIB army remains bullish with Shiba Inu, Michael Burry doesn't fear to reveal his cynicism about SHIB. In this video, we'll talk about what Michael Burry said about SHIB and what's the price prediction for SHIB. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more informative content on Shiba Inu's latest prices, predictions, and analysis. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. After its creation in 2020, Shiba Inu has enjoyed a huge flight, and its price surged to a high in May and October 2021. Shiba Inu prices skyrocketed, and while SHIB was enjoying its success, some investors couldn't bear SHIB's fame. None of the cryptocurrencies had such fundamentals as Shiba Inu, and none will be in the future. Shiba Inu's success and fame are unbelievable, and in 15 months, Shiba Inu managed to return over 40 million% on its investments. All those people who invested a very little amount in SHIB in August 2020 on its launch have become millionaires today. People have turned their investments to millions or even billions of dollars investing in SHIB. While investors are still waiting for SHIB to recover in November, Michael Burry is trying to make things worse. Let's take a look at SHIB's price on the 29th of November. Shiba Inu's price trades well below its all-time high, even after reaching over 1 million holders. SHIB is trading with a bullish bias as bulls fight resistance exerted by the 50 SMA and upper boundary of the descending channel. A breakout above the channel could see Shiba Inu rise to $0.00005346. Do you think 1 million people are wrong? Shiba Inu has achieved a milestone after SHIB reached 1 million holders. The milestone has been achieved despite Shiba Inu's price trading 50% below its all-time high. The SHIB army is loving the news that was shared by the official Shiba Inu's Twitter account on November 25th, which saw the spike to a high of $0.00004834, a 33% increase from the November 24th low of $0.00003614. SHIB is soaring around $0.00004130 with a bullish bias and is battling immediate resistance from the $0.00004381 embraced by the 50-period simple moving average and the upper boundary of the descending channel. If the prices of SHIB rise above this level, the chances are it will break out above the channel to tag the 100 SMA at $0.00004790. On November 19th, ranging high around $0.00005346 will be the next logical, a 30% leap from the current price. Let's get back to the topic. Shiba Inu continues to go down this week's alt market downtrend, further suggesting meme coin investors have switched their focus away from Dogecoin. October 2021 was one of the most profitable months for SHIB as it began to take off, and it took just a few days to gain about 280%. Its unreal run of form, combined with meme coin status, has led some purists, including Ron Nooner, to say now is a solid shorting opportunity. Investors and former hedge fund manager Michael Burry joined with the criticism by calling Shiba Inu pointless. However, the SHIB army remains unfazed, with one Twitter user named Shiba Knight remaining steadfast in his cause for 1 cent SHIB. To put some perspective on matters, Shiba Inu would need a 34,000% increase for that to happen. While weird things have happened in crypto, based on the current circulating supply, a 1 cent token value would mean a $4 trillion market cap for SHIB. What did Burry say about Shiba Inu? Coinbase added Shiba Inu in mid-September. While the announcement didn't explicitly say this was due to customer demand, it implied this by referring to its listing process in the post. One of the most common requests we hear from customers is to be able to buy and sell more cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. We announced a process of listing assets designed in part to accelerate the addition of more cryptocurrencies. SHIB spiked 36% on the day of listing, followed by a 2-week downturn until the start of October. From there, Shiba Inu spiked hard, blasting through $0.000914 resistance on October 4th. Burry rejects Shiba Inu on the grounds of its high total supply, which is set at 1 quadrillion tokens, which he suggests makes SHIB a poor investment choice given the effect of abundant supply on price appreciation. Just saying, 1 quadrillion seconds is about 32 million years. 1 quadrillion days is 2.7 trillion years, or all of the time from the beginning of the universe, multiplied by 71,000. In other words, pointless. Don't forget that the downfall Shiba Inu is experiencing today, Dogecoin faced a similar fall earlier this year. At its peak in May, the Dogecoin market cap was close to $90 billion, making it more valuable than the likes of Dell, General Motors, and British American Tobacco, much to the annoyance of the purists. They struggled to wrap their heads around how a fundamentally weak project could hit 15,000% over 5 months. It's unlikely that Shiba Inu will do the same as Dogecoin. Who's brave enough to say markets are always rational? Can Shiba Inu's coin-burning strategy solve Michael Burry's big critique? One thing investors are becoming attentive to when it comes to these speculative altcoins like Shiba Inu is tokenomics. Often, many of these token ecosystems thrive on supply and demand, driving through a token burn function. When a transaction occurs, protocol often removes small amounts of tokens from the trade. They then deliver to a burn address under the label of being a transaction fee. The address is a dead wallet with no access given to anybody to permanently remove these tokens from the circulating supply. It's through a Shiba Inu coin-burning strategy that SHIB can render criticism like Burry's invalid. And while the network has used this approach twice, it can benefit from a longer-term strategy. The SHIB owner gave 1 quadrillion of the supply to the Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. Buterin went on to burn 90% of his holding and effectively eliminated more than 400 trillion SHIB. He donated the rest of his SHIB tokens to India as a charity for coronavirus relief by a member of the Polygon Network's team. This was SHIB's first burn, which was unexpected. Recently, the network instituted its coin burn in aggregation with a blockchain project called Pearl. By using the Shiba Swap exchange, users could conduct trades of Pearl tokens and send SHIB to a burn address. The token burn went up to about $25,000 worth of SHIB, which at the time of announcement was about $25,000 worth, which was just under 360 million coins. According to CoinMarketCap, the current circulating supply is under 400 trillion, a number which critics like Burry would still hold their nose up at. However, it was to take cues from its peers, the network can easily silence the crowd. It certainly doesn't hurt that it would also catalyze gain through supply and demand as well. Burry's cryptocurrency disbelief is not partial to obscure altcoins. The king of the crypto world saw a downfall in mid-June when it went through a little price correction, and that's when Burry predicted the mother of all crashes before issuing a warning for trapped Bitcoin bulls. He then crumpled down on his bearishness by posting a head and shoulders pattern when Bitcoin was trading below $34,000. Those who stood with Burry's tweets ended up missing out on huge gains, with the king of the crypto world recovering to the highest levels since early May. Burry, who became famous after 2008 when he gained from the big subprime mortgage crisis, was recently ridiculed by cryptocurrency enthusiasts as a one-hit wonder following his failed predictions. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the video, and comment down below with your suggestions.